So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have to evaluate this integral. So integral is this 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. So let's see how we can do this. So first of all I write that integral here, and let's denote this integral by this capital I. So what you can do, you can multiply by 1 minus cos x in the numerator and 1 minus cos x in the denominator. In the numerator it will come like 1 minus cos x, and here it is also 1 minus cos x, so it will come like 1 minus cos of x whole square. And in the denominator we have 1 plus cos x and 1 minus cos x, so it is a plus b, a minus b type. So it will come like 1 minus cos of x whole square, which is a square minus b square type. And we know this is sin of x whole square. So now you can divide this integral into three parts, like 1 divided by sin of x whole square plus cos of x whole square divided by sin of x whole square minus 2 times cos x divided by sin of x whole square. So this thing will come like cosec of x whole square, and we know cos of x whole square divided by sin of x whole square is this cot of x whole square, and here it is this cos x divided by sin of x whole square. So you can write in this way, like cos x divided by sin x multiply by 1 divided by sin x and multiply by 2. So this thing will come like cot x, and this will come like cosec of x. So here it is minus 2 times cosec of x cot x. So you can write this term in this way, like minus 2 times cosec of x cot x. So now what you can do, you know this cot of x whole square is this cosec of x whole square minus 1. It is cot of x whole square. So you can replace that cot of x whole square by this cosec of x whole square minus 1. So cosec of x whole square come come 2 times, and here it is minus 1, and here it is minus 2 times cosec of x and cot x. So now we know this integral, simple integral of cosec of x whole square is this minus cot x. This integral we know where it is cosec of x cot x, it is minus cosec of x. So minus minus will come like plus, and one integral is this x. So these all are standard integrals. So you can directly put value of that integral here, and the final answer will come in this form. So in this way we can evaluate this integral.